if you want to unblock someone on Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bluesky. Click the three bars at the top left, okay? And then go ahead to the settings, okay? You're gonna be able right here to see accessibility, and you're gonna be able to see many settings, right? And basically, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click the moderation, okay? And basically, you're gonna be able right here that to see the moderation tools. Just go ahead and click the blocked account, and basically you're gonna see all the accounts that you blocked on Bluesky. Let us test that out. Okay, go ahead. Let's block this account. Double click, right? Click the three bars at the top left. Go ahead to the settings, moderation, and then block the account, right? And then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the name, and then basically go ahead, just like you are following someone, click unblock right here and double click to unblock that person. So that's been on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.